Are you a fan of downloading new apps that you see in your Play Store or App Store? I know that FOMO, or fear of missing out feeling. You download whatever trending app it is you see online. Well, this is a very good news for you because you can now get paid for downloading new apps from the Play Store or the App Store. This video tutorial is exciting because later on, I'm going to introduce you to the world's first system that allows you to earn real cash by downloading new apps. This is a new system that has been launched and trended worldwide since February 2022. So stick with me until the end of this video or you'll be the last person to know what this system is. Before everything else, make sure to like and subscribe to our Make Money Online channel and click the notification ring for the legit and 100% working Make Money Online tutorials that you will not find elsewhere. Imagine a kind of life where you will just sit back, scroll down, and click some buttons here and there, and boom, there's a real money deposited in your account instantly. This new system is no BS, definitely not a scam, because this is founded by a very genius marketer who have created and made a lot of income generating softwares that have been taking the internet by the storm. You are definitely in good hands. You are definitely going to earn along with all of the users who have attested to the effectiveness of this money-making software. Let me introduce to you the revolutionary download dollar system where you can earn real cash by downloading new apps on your phone, iPad, iPhone, or whatever gadget you have in your hand right now. Now that you know what this system is, you are only a few steps away from earning your first $100 for today. Once you have downloaded this system, first of all we need to do is to register to any of these platforms. If you're from the UK, Inbox Pounds will do, and if you're from the US, Inbox Dollars is for you. Just to show you, click Apply here and you will be redirected to the site itself. It's easy to log in here and registering will take up only a minute, so it's very easy. Just type in your email address, your preferred password, and click Sign Me Up Now. You just have to confirm the email and you get $5 for free. Congratulations! Now you have your account created and download dollars. This is what you will see in your dashboard after signing up. You see, Download Dollars is a platform that shows you all the kind of websites that you will use to make money online. Take note that all of these are done online. You don't have to go outside, beat the traffic, and fake a smile with your workmates and boss. Because what you have in your hands is a done-for-you passive income system. When you click on Platforms right under the main menu, you will see all the apps that you have to download to earn money. This is where the best available offers from different platforms are compiled. We find the best paid apps out there, and all you have to do is click Download, Install, and Earn. Right here below, you can also see how much you can earn from downloading this application. Say for example, Animal Kingdom offers you $25 for a download. You will also see right here when the release date is so you can notify yourself to download and collect your cash reward on this certain date. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'm going to show you now the other ways to multiply your income from this wonderful system. Let's get back to the platform by clicking this again under the main menu. The main idea for this system is to bring you closer to basically all the websites that are legitimately generating money for users like you. Other than downloading apps, Download Dollars will give you specific websites that will let you earn real cash just by answering service or merely signing up on their page. Some websites you'll see here will offer you more cash just by testing mobile apps and viewing websites. If I were you, I would explore these wide ranges of offers during my free time. That's why it's called Download Dollars. You are literally downloading money from these cool websites. This system is contagious. Aside from earning a passive income, you'll get entertained with the websites you'll encounter on the platform. Besides this main feature, we also have a site creator wherein members can create their own sites in one click. Just type in whatever site name you want and the site title and click Create Website. And they can edit their website here. They can add referral links from these platforms or insert affiliate links from other products and earn more money through commissions. Insert your affiliate link here and then click or choose where you want your ad to be placed and then click Create Advertisement. So again, users can create or insert their referral links or affiliate links from other products and earn more money through commissions. For only $19, you'll get access to these hundreds of paying websites that will pay you real money to download, play, answer surveys, and a whole lot more. With only a few bucks, you can earn and make cash up to $1,000 in just a matter of days. Now, I want you to head over the description box below and click the link below the download dollar text. This will take you to this page and you only have to click this button to purchase the system. It will direct you to a secure payment page, input your details, and make a payment. Once you're done, you now have access to these income generating websites and programs that will pay you instantly without a fuss. It's a beginner-friendly system. The whole interface is easily understandable, and all apps that you will are 100% safe and secure. Now is not the time to hesitate whether or not the system will work for you. A lot of reviews and YouTube testimonials are on Google to show that this is income generating software 100% works. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in our next Make Money Online tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more of these.